Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tia, and today I am doing a clean with me video where I'm cleaning out my refrigerator. I'm waiting on my groceries to be delivered, and before I receive my groceries, I like to make sure that my refrigerator is clean. So I'll go through, get rid of old food, give it a good wipe down and everything like that. So here I'm starting off by just basically taking out all of the food out of the refrigerator so that I can get it prepped to be wiped down. And I hope you enjoy this video, and if you enjoy this type of content, please make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you'll be able to see future videos. So let's go ahead and get into it. But here I'm starting to spray the refrigerator down, and I am actually using Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Cleaner in the fragrance Honeysuckle. Y'all, I started putting food back in the refrigerator and I totally forgot that I did not clean the other side, so that's what I'm doing here.
I begin to
Alright guys, here's the end result of me cleaning out the refrigerator. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.
For sure.